Hey guys, in this video I will show you if your FPS is dropping while gaming and you are using the NVIDIA app, then don't worry. I will show you an easy way to fix it. First, on the search bar type NVIDIA control panel and click on NVIDIA control panel. In the left side of the menu, click on manage 3D settings, then select global settings. Scroll down until you find shader cache size. Click on driver default and click on disable. After applying disable, now restart your computer. After restarting your computer, open the NVIDIA app from the start menu. Click on drivers in the left menu. Choose game ready drivers if you play games or studio drivers for general use. Click download then install it. Open the disk cleanup and click on OK and then click on direct their cache and hit on OK and open the NVIDIA control panel again and then go back to shader cache size. This time set it to a driver default and click apply. And now click apply. Restart your computer one more time. That's it. After this, your FPS should be fixed and your games will run smoother. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.